Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're focusing on determiners at the B2 level. Determiners are a key part of English because they help us clarify which noun we're talking about, how many of something there are, or who owns something. Mastering these words can make your English sound more precise and natural. So let's dive right in. So what exactly is a determiner? A determiner is a word that comes before a noun and helps give more specific information about it. Common determiners include words like the, some, each, my, this, and many. For example, in I saw a dog, the word is a determiner that tells us we're talking about just one dog, but it's not a specific one. Or in my friend is visiting, my is a determiner that shows possession or ownership. Let's look at a few examples to understand how determiners work. If you want to talk about something specific, you could say, I bought the book we talked about. Here, that tells us that both you and the listener know which book you're referring to. On the other hand, if it's not specific, you could say, I bought a book, which simply tells us it's any book, not one that's known. Determiners can also show quantity or amount. For example, if you're talking about groceries, you might say, I need to buy some apples, where some gives a general idea of quantity without being exact. Or, if you want to be precise, you could say, I bought 2 apples, which tells us exactly how many. You'll often find determiners in everyday conversations and expressions. For instance, if you're asking for a recommendation, you might say, can you suggest a good restaurant? Or if you're talking about something personal, you might say, that's my favorite movie. Determiners like a and my are essential for making your sentences clear and specific. Another useful determiner at this level is each. For example, each student received a certificate. This word shows that every individual in a group is involved, adding more specificity to your sentence. If you found this episode helpful, please remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show, and we'd love to hear how these episodes are helping you improve your English. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.